Mega mega love shout out. Good morning and good afternoon or good evening wherever you are. Mga kasam, ito po yung nabitin na greetings ng ating mga kaibigan dito sa YT. Pasensya na po because that was the time that na yung yung diagnosis ko. Yan ang mga araw na hindi ko pa kayang mag-upload at saka wala talaga pa akong ganang Kaya, pasensya na po at ito na po ang nabibitin nating mga greetings. Salamat sa lahat ng nag-participate. Really appreciated. And here they are. Thank you so much. Happy 5th anniversary, Ozam Robbie.
Mega love and mega shout out everyone. This is Jen GM. At kukunin ko na tong pagkakataon na to na i-greet ng bonggang-bongga ang ating Ozam Ruby. Ayan, ng bonggang-bonggang happy 5 years na dito sa YT World. Could you imagine? Ang tagal na pala natin dito sa YT. Ayan. Congratulations is Ozam for being 5 years na sa apat na sulok ng YT. And of course, minsan ang pagbati na, binabati ko lahat ang mga mothers like me. Happy Mother's Day in advance, guys. Ayan. Thank you for being a supportive one, Sis Ozam Ruby. Yan. At hindi lang sa akin, sa lahat ng mga kasama natin dito sa YT World. Okay, alam mo na sa akin, Sis Ozam, masyado tayong makuda. So, that's all for now. Once again, happy 5th year anniversary here in YT, and at the same time, happy Mother's Day. Ciao!
Happy 5th anniversary, Awesome Robbie. Keep being awesome. And happy Mother's Day to you too, you see? If I didn't see the sign, I would have forgotten. I am so glad we met, even just on YT World, and I look forward to the day that we see each other in person. Take good care of yourself. You're in my prayers. Love and hugs. Enjoy your celebration. God bless. Mwah! Love and hugs.
Happy anniversary ni nang Ozam sa channel mo og amping kanunay sa imong lawas kay maoray ato puhunan. Happy Mother's Day po at God bless.
Hello! Ayan, mega love shoutout everyone, especially po sa lahat ng followers and viewers po ni Miss Ozam. Happy 5 years anniversary as a monetize po sa iyong channel. Ayan, sana marami ka pang maging friends dito sa YT at marami ka pa pong matulungan. And sana magtuloy-tuloy po yan. And yun lang po. And happy Mother's Day na rin po. Ayan, yun lang po. And have a good day. Thank you.
Hello guys. Good day and good evening. Happy 5th year anniversary both Sky and Ozam Ruby. 5 years strong and still growing. High five to both of you. 5 years milestone, 5 years of laughters, 5 years singing and making memories together, making cover songs, uploading premieres. Your subscriber and members are the rock and best friends around. Stay happy and entertaining live streaming to the world of YT. Ma'am Ozam, and happy 5th anniversary. Wishing a lot of good vibes and more blessings, good health, and happy 5th anniversary. Go and explore more growing Um, stay happy. That's it. Good luck and much love, everyone. And another thing is Happy Mother's Day to Ma'am Awesome, to a wonderful woman, mom, to your kids. Wishing you a day filled with love, relaxation, and well-deserved appreciation for all you do. You're doing amazing. Awesome. Thanks and God bless. More blessing to us all.
Mega love shoutout everyone. Meron lamang akong gustong batiin ngayong araw na ito. Walang iba kundi si Wonder o ang tinatawag kong Wonder Woman dito sa Whitey World o mas kilala sa tawag na Awesome Ruby ng Happy 5th Anniversary! Ayan po. Wishing you all the best. Sana mas lalo pang mag-grow ang iyong channel. At sana magtagal pa ang ating pagsasama dito sa loob ng Whitey World po. Maraming salamat din po dahil nakilala ko po kayo. Dahil napakabait at napaka-generous nyo pong tao. Ayan po. At sana i-bless pa kayo ni God. Alam ko meron kayong tinutulungan na charity. Sana magkaroon kayo ng marami pang sponsor dito sa charity na to. At isama ko na rin po ang pagbati sa inyo ng Happy Mother's Day sa iyo, Ma'am Awesome. At alam ko naman po na napakabuti niyong mother. Ayan, again, Happy 5th Anniversary po.
Hello, ayan, Madam Awesome. I just want to greet you. Happy 5 years anniversary in your wedding. Ayan, 5 years ka na and I know you're still enjoying your wedding and more blessings to you, Madam. God bless you and you're so generous at napakabait mo. And sana huwag kang magbago, Madam. Ayan, and also happy Mother's Day. God bless you always, Madam. I love you and I miss you.
Yun ho, mag 5 years na siya sa YT. Ayan, at congratulations Biko. Awesome Ruby sa 5 years in YT. Ayan, at more years pa sa YT. Ayan, and bago ko makalimutan, a happy Mother's Day. Ayan, ingat ka lagi, lalo sa health mo. Ayan, dito lang kami ng mga kaibigan mo. Ayan, at masabihin ko sa iyo. Yun, and enjoy lang sa YT. Okay, no pressure. Ayan, at para happy lagi. Ayan. At yun. See you around Awesome sa mga live. Ayan. Bye.
At everyone! Oy, nandito tayo para bumati sa nag-iisang Awesome Ruby ng YT. Ayan, thank you sa support. Congratulations sa yung 5 years in YT World. Ayan. Enjoy lang. Hanggat masaya, go lang. Nandito lang ako sa tabi-tabi. Hindi mo man ako mararamdaman. Nasa tabi lang ako. Ayan. Thank you sa lahat ng suporta. Sa lahat-lahat, maraming thank you. And good luck pa din sa yung channel. May lalong lumago at more friends. And Happy Mother's Day! Love you. Mag-ingat palagi and good health. Long life!
Hi everyone! Ayun, nabigyan na naman tayo ng pagkakataon para bumati sa ating isang kaibigan na anniversary ng channel niya. Ayan, Miss Awesome, happy anniversary. 5 years na pala. Ayan, ang matagal na. Ayan, enjoy lang dito sa YouTube always. At alam kong nag-i-enjoy ka lagi. Ayan, pasensya na hindi lagi nakakapag-support. At busy-busy na talaga. Ayan, salamat lagi at salamat noon at saka ngayon nandito pa rin. Hindi man laging nakakapag-support. And maraming salamat Miss Awesome. At ayan, happy Mother's Day pala sa'yo. Ayan, enjoy lang palagi and God bless and more blessings to come. Ayan, alam ko talagang nag-i-enjoy ka. Thank you po.
Alright. Mega love shoutout sa ating napakagandang friend at nagse-celebrate ng kanyang 5 years anniversary sa YT. Sis Awesome! Happy anniversary! It's been 5 years, right? So, napagtagumpayan mo ang 5 years sa YT. Matibay pa rin. Still strong. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Kung saan tayo masaya. Gora, di ba? Congratulations sis Awesome sa iyong 5 years anniversary on YT. Sana mag-grow pa ang channel mo hanggang sa umabot ng 1M. Okay? Hoping for that. And of course, isabay na natin ang happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day sis Awesome. And the rest, mga mothers na nanonood sa atin, happy Mother's Day sa ating lahat. Ano po? And of course, I love you sis Awesome. Happy 5 years anniversary and another 5 years again. Okay, so God bless and I love you. Thank you so much din sa labang support mo sa channel ni Princess.
Hello, Miss Awesome. Wow, 5 years. Congratulations. Congratulations on your 5-year journey on YouTube. Good vibes lang. Happy, syempre, di ba? And keep shining and creating. Ikaw talaga yan eh, di ba? The best ka. Love, Miss Awesome. Congratulations. Hello, Miss Awesome. Happy Mother's Day. Super mom ka talaga, Miss Awesome. Pero sana today, hindi ikaw ang magluluto. God bless and I love you, Miss Awesome.
So guys, mega love sa lahat po na nandito ngayon. No? Unang-una, nandito ako para patiin ng happy 5 years anniversary at Awesome Ruby. At salamat dahil isa na naman ako sa naimbitahan mo sa iyong 5 taon, no, na celebration, no, sa iyong buhay dito sa YT, no. So, salamat and ipagpatuloy mo lang yan, Ate Awesome, no, ang iyong kabaitan, especially yung kagandahan, no. At mabuhay ka. Mabuhay ka syempre, no. Hanggat gusto mo dyan sa YT, magsaya ka. Dahil dyan yung ating pangpalipas stress, no. Thank you, Ate Awesome, dahil nandyan ka rin lagi, no. Yung support mo nandyan, lalo na sa mga team mo, no. Nandyan din. So, thank you and God bless. Ako nga pala si Nick Nimin Channel na bumabati sa iyo ng congratulations na umabot ka ng 5 years, na 5 years anniversary. So, salamat, Ate. At lalo na sa yung mga team na super supportive, no. Thank you so much, guys. At yun lang. At salamat na naging part din ako sa yung anibersaryo. At salamat din, Ate Awesome, sa yung always na support sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye. Bravo, guys. Happy Mother's Day, Ate Awesome Ruby. Alam ko mabait kang nanay. Kaya, Happy Mother's Day.
Mega love shoutout, Ninang Awesome. I'm Aishi Malet and this is Parang Shumerian. We would like to greet Awesome Ruby and happy 5th year anniversary in the YouTube world.
Sana all 5th year. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary to both of you. Long years of friendship and whatever. Happy Mother's Day also, Ninang Awesome.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much. Ikaw na.
Happy Mother's Day, Ninang Awesome, and happy anniversary po. More years to celebrate. Love you.
Oy.
Happy anniversary, Awesome Roby.
And mega love shoutout, this is Log TV and
Mega shoutout, this is Kappa's channel.
ayan, meron lang po tayong babatiin kasi special day ngayon, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Ate Ruby. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta kay Log TV at kay
Kappa's channel.
ayan, hopefully enjoy mo ang pagiging nanay at Mother's Day din niya. Happy Mother's Day din. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day back.
Ayan. And meron pa isa. Babatiin din natin ang ating Awesome Ruby ng happy 5th anniversary as a monetized channel. Ayan. Happy 5th birthday. Ay, anniversary kay Awesome Ruby. Ayan. 5th. 5. Oh,
Ayan.
diba?
Happy
Happy anniversary with anniversary po sa inyong dalawa at sana maging bayarin pa kayo ni Lolo. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan.
Bakla! Happy Mother's Day. Family first, alam ko. Mahal mo ang iyong anak, mga Junakis. At saka isa ka rin nanay kay Bella. Ayan. And happy. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the anniversary. Okay. This is Kappa's channel. Ang iyong bakla. Forever.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ate Ruby. And tuloy lang ang buhay and happy and good vibes every day.
Laban lang.
Laban lang. Fight. Happy anniversary and happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye. This is Log TV once again saying mabuhay sa... wala.
Ano na?
Ano daw? Ayan, good vibes lang, Ate Ruby.
Hello guys! Ayan na, meron tayong babatiin na isa nating kaibigan na anniversary. Ayan, happy 5th year anniversary sa'yo, Sis Ruby! Yay! Congratulations at 5 years ka na as monetized channel. Ayan, at wish ko na makamit mo ang 100k subscriber. Ayan, para magkaroon ka na ng silver play button. Ayan, malapit na, konting kembot na lang, o diba? Ayan, wish ko na more friends and more subscriber and more gala, and I always pray for you na maging okay ang lahat. God is good all the time. Ayan. Dahil all the time God is good. Walang imposible sa Kanya. Kaya, ayan, laban lang tayo. Laban. Kapit lang sa Kanya. Ayan, diba? Ayan, maraming salamat. At happy Mother's Day sa'yo, Sis Ruby. Ayan. Dahil, ayan, mother na, lola ka pa na, di ba? Ayan, happy Mother's Day. Ayan, enjoy our day. Ayan, di ba? Enjoy lang. Dahil, ayan, enjoy natin ang ating buhay. Always good vibes. Ayan, kailangan, ganon talaga, mag-enjoy tayo, okay? Ingat ka palagi. Thank you so much sa lahat ng support mo sa akin, sa help, sa lahat. At isa ako sa naging napili mong kaibigan. Thank you so much. Love. Kapit lang tayo sa kanya. Okay? Ayan. Ingat always, and God bless you and your family. Happy anniversary again and happy Mother's Day. Okay, bye-bye.